Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. You can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, we are looking at Clevrfx EA. We'll be navigating directly through their website, reviewing its core functionality, and taking an objective look at the historical MyFX book performance data provided. Starting right at the top of the website, Clevrfx introduces its trading software as an AI-driven automated system designed for 24/7 execution across markets. As we scroll through the initial overview, the developer explicitly confirms that Clevrfx features multi-platform compatibility, fully supporting both MT4 and MT5. This flexibility allows traders to run the EA on whichever platform they prefer with any MT4 and MT5 broker. Now, as we move down the page, Clevrfx outlines several core features and operational metrics. The site highlights an average monthly tracked gain between 5% and 10%, along with a 3-year track record. They also mention prop firm compatibility, 24/7 automated execution, and a 30-day money back guarantee. Looking at the underlying features in detail, Clevrfx highlights several built-in risk controls. These include equity protection to help preserve capital within set account limits, spread control to avoid taking trades during periods of high market spreads, and smart drawdown recovery to actively manage equity pullbacks. They also feature auto lot sizing, which scales trade volume according to account balance to prevent over leveraging. Okay, so continuing down to the pricing tiers, the developer offers 3 options: basic, gold, and VIP. Each tier includes access to both MT4 and MT5 licenses. The basic tier supports 2 MT4 and MT5 licenses with a $1,000 monthly profit cap. The gold tier provides 4 MT4 and MT5 licenses with a $5,000 monthly profit cap, while the VIP tier offers 6 MT4 and MT5 licenses with no profit cap. Both gold and VIP packages also list inclusion for capital insurance and access to additional HyperFX AI trading bots. Now let us transition into the historical performance reports supplied from my FX book to see how these accounts have behaved over time. All right, mind you that these images attached here are not linking us to the actual MyFX book page. Okay, so I have to just mention that, just adding an image here is not enough proof. I would have loved to gain access to the actual MyFX book site. So just note that this is not verified in the sense that it is just an image that we are seeing here. Okay, we are not on the live MyFX book page, but based on what they are showing on the website, we can see that this first performance breakdown for the $100K Clevrfx hybrid account on MetaTrader 4 shows a total gain of 356.54%, a peak drawdown of 15.08%, a daily return average of 0.19%, and a monthly average of 6.68%. The historical equity graph displays a steady upward curve from late December 2022 through mid-May 2024, with floating drawdown spikes visible along the bottom bar chart. Now, examining the second MyFX book performance breakdown here, still, this is just an image and there is no link to the actual my FX book page. So in this case, this performance extended into early 2025. The account shows a total gain of 534.97% and an absolute gain of 518.15%, with a recorded peak drawdown of 18.26%. The daily average stands at 0.23% and monthly at 7.18%. The historical equity curve demonstrates consistent long-term upward trajectory, interrupted by occasional drawdown periods where floating equity temporarily dipped below balance before recovery. All right, so it is important to remember that these results are based on historical performance and should not be interpreted as a guarantee of future results. Okay, real world trading outcomes can vary significantly depending on broker execution, live spreads, slippage, lot size settings, and overall market conditions. Okay, so here we are seeing that Clevrfx is not just a tool, it is data driven, AI powered system designed to help eliminate human error and support more confident trading decisions. Okay, so let's just briefly look at the FAQ before we conclude. All right, so this is what is Clevrfx, how it works, analyzes market conditions and executes trades automatically based on the optimized strategies. No trading experience needed. All right, and okay, there is access to private Discord channels. All right, and here, if your account reaches an 80% drawdown, Clevrfx covers up to $5,000 for the gold plan and $10,000 for the VIP if eligibility requirements are met. Okay, now in conclusion, let's just stop there for now. 247 live support and all of that. So in conclusion, Clevrfx offers a comprehensive feature set for both MT4 and MT5 traders, featuring built-in risk controls like spread filtering, equity protection, and multi-year FX book, my FX book tracking. Even though I would have actually loved to have the link to the actual my FX book page. Okay, it may appeal to traders seeking an automated trading tool on MT4 and MT5 who value risk management features and multi-account licensing options. However, no expert advisor is universally suitable for every trader or every market environment. I encourage everyone to do their own due diligence, review all documentation, and test thoroughly on demo accounts before making any trading decisions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.